Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I'd like to begin this presentation, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dimas Rizaldi Juniansyach, student number 4222301020 from Robotics Engineering first semester. And this I will be explaining and presenting our project-based learning presentation. It's called Froggie Learning Materials. This is our PBL code, PBL-RE-046. So let's begin our presentation. As you can see, this is our team. Mr. Hendawan Soebhakti as our project manager, myself as project leader, and Dimas Prayoga as my project member, and Reynald as my project member. So before we would like to begin our explanation, first we need to know what is our project overview. Froggie Learning Material is a project to create modules that refer to the Froggie robot. This STEM-based module targets high school students who want to learn the basics of robotics. What is our goal and objective in this project? To create a module that is easily understandable for students who are just starting to learn about robotics, while also increasing students' interest in learning STEM. What is STEM may ask will be explained in further slides. In this slide, as you can see, this is our poster. This is our other poster. Next slide will be explained by Dimas Prayoga. Dimas Prayoga, time is yours.
Hello, I am Dimas Prayoga. Study number 4222301012. This is my design robot in isometric view and this kind of project. Project 3D drawing in here. And next, this is learning module maker. Subject classification in the book. In this learning module, there will be educated subject, and each subject will be divided into chapters such as introduction to STEM, introduce for robotic, electrical circuit, microcontroller, basic robot movement, detection object, level robot, robot expression, and IoT, Internet of Things. And next, each part 2 subject has followed up in beginning STEM properties such as robotic in brown, science yellow, technology blue, engineering green, and mathematics purple. And next, we explain with Dimas.
So next slide will be explained by me. Alright, so additional features in our module. This learning module highly uses QR code as a way to educate user about technology and simplifies user access and link that is given in module. As you can see here, this is the example. This is like the learning video and quiz, and this is quiz for each subject. Also, not to mention that this learning module has competency mind map. Here is the picture. The contents of the competency mind map is a CLO. What is CLO? CLO is the course learning objectives and what will be taught in this module. And each part will be divided into related STEM topics in this. Robotics is in gray, technology is in blue, science in yellow, and engineering in green. Next, this is going to be our model chapter explanation. Right, first is the first chapter, Introduction to STEM. Right, this chapter enhances the definition of STEM robotics, such as the definition or maybe an example of STEM robotics. Chapter 2 is Introduction to Robotics Technology. As you can see here, this chapter enhances the definition of robot, and from the robot kit, Fleming, Lorentz, and rules, DC motor, and from the assembly. Next, chapter 3, electronic circuit. This chapter enhances the definition of electronic circuit. AC and DC currents, resistance, voltage, current, multimeter, create a single electronic circuit. Next, the fourth chapter, microcontroller. This chapter enhances the definition of microcontroller, software for microcontroller, algorithm and flowchart, microcontroller programming, and microcontroller experiment. The fifth chapter, chapter 5, basic robot movements. This chapter enhances the definition of basic movements of the robot, covering how it can move, the extent of its movement, the speed of its motion, and techniques for turning for a trajectory. The next one will be explained by Dimas Prayoga to Dimas and yours.
Thank you. And the next slide, chapter 6, detecting object. This chapter enhances purification of ultrasonic sensor so you can robot detect object, the operation of ultrasonic sensor, the use of ultrasonic library, and program to move forward object and learning to avoid obstacles. Next chapter, line following robot. This chapter enhances the definition of line sensor, covering their functions, algorithms, and sensor program. And next, chapter 8, robot expression. This chapter focus of exploring the expression of the robot. Include how the robot communicates, the function of buzzer, programming buzzer, and utilizing the tool library. And final chapter, Internet of Things, or IoT. This chapter explains Internet of Things and the operation of the remote control robot and its algorithm. This is the learning material prototype 5 view and computation mind map.
Yeah, so I think that's it for our presentation for this PBL project. We hope that you guys can understand what is in this presentation and our explanation. And we hope that our module could bring benefit to every people in this world. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.